As the preeminent academic research institution in Taiwan, the Republic of China, Academia Sinica is charged with the mission of enhancing research capabilities in the sciences and humanities, cultivating superior academic talent, and advancing domestic and international academic cooperation. It is committed to promoting academic excellence and fostering sustainability. Academia Sinica was founded in 1928 and relocated to Taipei in 1954. Academia Sinica's former presidents include Tsai Yuen-pei, Zhu Jiahua, Hu Shi, Wang Shiqie, Qian Shiliang, Wu Dayou, Li Yuanzhe, and Ong Qi-hui. James C. Liao was elected in 2016 as the 11th president of Academia Sinica. 3 vice presidents assist in Academia Sinica's operation and development. At the biennial convocation of academicians, outstanding scholars are elected as new academicians who help chart the course of academic research in Taiwan. Currently, 7 academicians are Nobel laureates. Meanwhile, foreign scholars and specialists who have made major contributions to their fields of study are elected as honorary academicians. In addition to helping promote domestic and international academic cooperation, they are called upon to provide Academia Sinica with guidance and assistance in research. The Council of Academia Sinica is responsible for setting research agendas and evaluating options for organizational and operational changes. The General Assembly periodically convenes to review policies concerning the rights and interests of all Academia Sinica personnel. The Central Office of Administration and the Central Academic Advisory Committee are responsible for overseeing Academia Sinica's academic and administrative affairs, respectively. Academia Sinica comprises 3 divisions: Mathematics and Physical Sciences, Life Sciences, and Humanities and Social Sciences. Currently, Academia Sinica has a staff of about 9,000, including some 1,000 researchers. A total of 31 research units cover a comprehensive range of academic disciplines. Academia Sinica values balanced development across humanities and social sciences, mathematics and physical sciences, and life sciences. Drawing on basic scientific research, it aims to promote both academic and social progress. In humanities research, Academia Sinica has long been a front-runner in Asia and an international hub for sinology. Drawing on a large amount of newly unearthed materials, fresh research perspectives, and digital databases that revolutionize the acquisition of historical materials, Academia Sinica has published a series entitled New Perspectives on Chinese History to address some key issues of Chinese society from historical perspectives. Departing from approaches focusing on upper-class perspectives, researchers now adopt a bottom-up approach to studying ordinary people and mass culture. Meanwhile, newly unearthed materials are used to examine the formation of ancient Chinese civilization and to explore the significant turning points in the history of Chinese philosophy, thereby forging new research frontiers. In addition, in the history of Taiwan and indigenous studies, there are also excellent results. Keeping abreast of developments in the digital era, Academia Sinica has established nearly 100 websites and databases linked to a great number of academic communities around the world. The digital era has facilitated a macro-sociological approach in social sciences. This approach has been adopted in projects such as the Panel Study of Family Dynamics, the Taiwan Social Change Survey, Geographic Information System, and others. Moreover, Academia Sinica presents macroeconomic forecasts and pragmatic policy recommendations. In the past few years, Academia Sinica has accomplished a great deal of pioneering research by adopting an interdisciplinary approach, an achievement widely recognized in the international academic community. In terms of chemical dynamics, a team at Academia Sinica has taken the lead in revealing the three-dimensional geometric arrangement of two reactants in a chemical reaction. In addition to publishing a number of papers in prestigious journals, the team has won extensive academic recognition for conducting related experiments. Further, Academia Sinica has persisted with its pursuit of a deeper understanding of the underlying mechanism of the MALDI, or matrix-assisted laser-induced desorption phenomenon, which has further potential applications in using mass spectroscopic methods in studies of hydrocarbons and other related life science research. In addition to promoting collaboration between academia and industry, Academia Sinica has joined forces with partners from North America, Europe, and East Asia to undertake the Atacama Large Millimeter and Submillimeter Array, or ALMA project, the world's largest ground-based astronomical project to date. ALMA has achieved many significant scientific breakthroughs since its inauguration in 2013. Importantly, the project has brought international recognition to the scientific achievements of both Academia Sinica and researchers throughout Taiwan. Now it will give priority to developing and producing a next-generation Band 1 receiver and installing a 12-meter ALMA NA prototype telescope in Greenland. In cellular and molecular imaging research, we aim to integrate innovative imaging technologies applicable to physics, physical sciences, and the life sciences. To date, we have characterized mitochondria ultrastructure changes that contribute to aging-related diseases using three-dimensional electron tomography and soft X-ray tomography. We have discovered the crucial role of a novel gene product at DNA replication fork and its role in genome stability by means of super-resolution fluorescence microscopy. We have also developed MARCM and twin-spot MARCM technologies that can trace nervous system development in Drosophila. Today, Academia Sinica owns well-rounded cellular and molecular imaging platforms featuring imaging facilities and resolutions that largely cover all the biological scales under study. A deeper understanding of the ionization process has greatly improved the sensitivity of carbohydrate detection. This enhancement in mass spectrometer sensitivity also helps with advances in chemical dynamics and molecular spectroscopy and research on ozone layer depletion. In turn, it enables Taiwan's research community to secure a leading position in these fields. In terms of life science applications, Academia Sinica's major achievements include biomarker discoveries with special emphasis on post-translational modification, in particular phosphorylation, sulfation, and glycosylation. A platform for glycoprotein and glycolipid analysis has been developed. By convening leading experts conducting research in areas such as antibody, glycan, protein structure, and influenza research, Academia Sinica draws on molecular and genetic epidemiological studies, as well as sequencing technologies to explore cancer causes and develop treatment strategies. In research on carbohydrate-based cancer vaccines, it has been found that the hexasaccharide globo-H in cancer cells is attached to a diphtheria-toxic mutant protein. The finding has in turn led to the development of the discriminating antibody IgG that holds great promise for making therapeutic and prophylactic vaccines against a wide range of cancers. In order to enhance human immunity to flu and other viruses, Academia Sinica researchers have designed a consensus protein sequence common to the hemagglutinin of flu viruses and used it to produce monosaccharide-based molecular antigens for penetrating the polysaccharide camouflage on the surface of viruses. Academia Sinica has developed the conjugation of antibodies or targeted peptides to the delivery system. This facilitates the delivery of high doses of small molecule drugs to cancer cells with high precision. Antibodies against cancer cells or influenza and specific antigens with high specificity obtained through a combination of phage display and high-throughput screening can be useful in the development of disease diagnosis reagents and therapeutic antibodies or vaccines. Tens of millions of people worldwide suffer from Alzheimer's disease. Our team has found that TDP-43 forms toxic amyloid oligomers, which can be detected in dementia patients. Using proteins, animal models, and the brain tissue of patients, they have also studied the effect of tau glycosylation in the progression of Alzheimer's disease. While the team uses high-throughput screening to search for small chemical compounds for inhibiting calpain activity, it has developed a specific TDP-43 antibody for diagnostic and therapeutic applications. These new target-specific treatments will be put to the test in Alzheimer's mouse models to assess their efficacy in improving the spatial memory of mice. Academia Sinica has accumulated a solid track record in many fields, such as research on ecological evolution and biodiversity, innovative translational agricultural research, nanomedicine research, structural biology research, the AMS-02 project, and renewable energy research. Separately, Academia Sinica is keen to bolster its Center for Sustainability Studies. It is also planning to launch a data science center to make possible more precise analyses and enhance research efficacy in order to promote the study of big data such as Taiwan Biobank. To help resolve some of the most pressing issues facing humanity and maximize the social value of academic research, Academia Sinica has published 13 policy recommendations as a reference for policymakers. They cover such areas as population and health, energy and environment, and institutions and competitiveness. To help Taiwan's biotech industry foster its cluster effect, Academia Sinica is now building the National Biotechnology Research Park that promises to drive domestic R&D and enhance the international competitiveness of local biotech enterprises. Separately, a branch campus is being planned for southern Taiwan to advance research in such areas as renewable and sustainable technologies, agricultural biotechnology, and the humanities and history of Taiwan to help balance regional development. Academia Sinica is committed to sharing with local industry major research findings through technology transfer. Such undertakings enable Academia Sinica to share the fruits of its research with society and help foster the country's emerging industries. To cultivate research talent, Academia Sinica has joined forces with universities across Taiwan to establish the Taiwan International Graduate Program, TIGP, a PhD-level program that adopts English language teaching across the board. The TIGP is designed to encourage and facilitate interdisciplinary research with an aim to upgrade Taiwan's higher education. There are currently 7 competitive interdisciplinary programs in place. We will continue to consolidate and expand our collaboration with domestic universities. Over the years, Academia Sinica has also been proactive in its involvements with leading international organizations and hosted major international conferences, thereby promoting international cooperation. To expand international academic exchanges, Academia Sinica has hosted a number of lectures: the Academia Sinica Lecture, Humanities and Social Sciences Lecture, and Special Lecture. Nobel laureates and other renowned scholars are invited to speak on such occasions. Meanwhile, Academia Sinica has developed an extensive network of partnerships with over 400 top research institutions and universities around the world. In terms of popular science education, Academia Sinica regularly sponsors a diverse range of events to share its research findings with the public. These include popular science lectures, knowledge feast colloquiums, lectures in honor of Academia Sinica's former presidents, artistic and cultural activities, digital archive exhibitions, and open house tours. In the years to come, Academia Sinica endeavors to place equal emphasis on development in the humanities and sciences, while striving for excellent academic research and nurturing outstanding talents. We are committed to persevering in our efforts to use knowledge to assist sustainable development and, in turn, creating a brighter future for all humanity.